All right, you viewers, we have some breaking news coming in right now. Now, there are mock drills, emergency drills that are being conducted in schools as far as Baramulla is concerned, and that's the breaking news we're getting in. Now, the Tulwari schools in Baramulla have been activated. Have activated emergency protocols amid the rising Indo-Pak tensions after the terror attack, and underground shelters have also been made there in schools. They are being cleaned up and prepped for immediate use. As India, of course, weighs in the counter measures, the counter-strike, underground shelters in schools are being cleaned in Baramulla and prepped for immediate use. Zeenat joins us live in the broadcast for more. Zeenat, well, there has been a lot of shelling also from Pakistan that has heightened the, the anxiety amongst the residents. And now we have these emergency drills that are being made in the schools at Baramulla.
See, Rakshita, as we know, the escalation between India and Pakistan as far as their borders at present are concerned, and we are seeing also the fallout of this Pahalgam terror attack. As of now, we are picking, this is the Tulwari area of Baramulla. This is in the Uri sector where the emergency protocols are being excised. The school drills, these drills are being conducted, emergency drills are being conducted in school where the students are being taught how to rescue themselves, how to do these emergency operations, for which the schools are being cleaned up. Even some of them are being given the arm training also to deal with the emergency situations. This is coming at a time when we are seeing the border escalations between India and Pakistan. Pakistan has been for the last 6 days regularly targeting the Indian post along the line of control, for which they are getting the befitting and an immediate response from the Indian army. Now these drills, the mock drills, are being conducted in the Tulwari in Uri sector of Baramulla. Uri has also witnessed one of the operations where the 2 terrorists were neutralized, and also the ceasefire violations were reported from very Uri, for which now the students in these schools are being prepared for. They are being taught how to give emergency responses, how to follow the protocols, how to follow the drills, how to go inside the bunker in case there is some fire or there is a mortar shelling, how they can save their and the others' life, for which the training is continuously being done along in these border areas. Because whenever there is an escalation along the line of control, the first casualty, the first impact is on the border residents who usually feels this heat between the two countries. So borders during the ceasefire agreement between India and Pakistan, the borders had felt silent, and they had been living a life of peaceful life for the last few years. The ceasefire agreement was made in 2022 in the month of February, but now because of the Pahalgam attack, now the have again started between India and Pakistan. We are seeing the diplomatic measures also being followed. They are being implemented, actions are being taken, and now what is being done here in the Uri sector of Baramulla, the school students are being prepared to deal with the emergency situation, the emergency challenges, for which the protocols they are being taught how to follow protocols in case of any eventuality. Pakistan knows well that the India is planning to carry attacks against Pakistan, for which the Pakistan ministers have already announced a kind of an emergency between 24 to 48 hours, that the country is also on a standby mode. India is also waiting that whether there will be any kind of surgical strike against the Pakistan this time, because Prime Minister Modi has already given a clear direction to the forces to choose the location and the target. Also, there had been a meeting, cabinet committee meeting related to security, that was chaired by the Prime Minister Modi early today. Many things have also been discussed. So the entire country is waiting that how Pakistan will be dead when it comes to Pahalgam terror attack.